Hello friends, my name is Mark and you're watching Tech SPR. In today's video, we're going to build a complete on-demand service platform, just like UrbanClap, Housejoy, where users can book services and service providers can manage their orders, profiles, and schedules all in one place. We'll cover everything step by step, from user app and provider app to the admin panel and real-time order management system. By the end of this video, you'll have a fully functional on-demand service platform ready to launch. Before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and like this video because we post tutorials on real-world, production-level projects every week. If you face any issues while developing, don't worry, just drop your questions in the comments and I'll try my best to reply. And if you'd like our professional development team to build a complete ready to launch on-demand service platform for you, simply connect with our development team on WhatsApp or call, contact number given in the description or flash on screen. Once you place the order, you can track your project progress directly from your dashboard, and our TechSPR team will deliver it within 2 to 3 days. So let's jump right in and start building your own on-demand service platform.